Silly George came out with a clear version of their LinerBond system, and today I'm gonna be testing it, so keep on watching. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure to watch my previous video about the original LinerBond. So this is the packaging of the new clear LinerBond. As you can see, it looks very similar to the first one. So as you can see, the clear liner comes in a pink packaging, and my first impression is that it feels a little thinner than the first version of the LinerBond, which was in a black packaging. So I don't know if you can see. So even though the packaging is slightly slimmer, it says on the pen that it contains 1.5 milliliter of product, whereas in the first one, the black one, there is 0.9 ml of product. So as you can see, I kept my eye makeup very natural today because I don't want it to compromise the results of this product. If you want me to try it on more eyeshadow, let me know, and I will film a makeup look including this so you can see if it does work on a lot of eyeshadow. But in the meantime, I'm gonna show you a close-up of the tip of this pen, and then I'm gonna try it on my eyes and show you how it works. So the pair of lashes I'm gonna use it with today is this pair, the same pair as with the first LinerBond video. So these ones are the Girl Friday lashes. I already cut them to the size of my eyes, so yeah. So first impression, it's as nice as the first LinerBond, and it's even better now that it's in a clear color. I can see a lot of applications with this, so I'm very happy about that. Now, if you're gonna wear this with a natural makeup like I am wearing today, and depending on the length of the lashes that you're wearing, you might want to consider using a crayon, like a brown or a dark black crayon, whatever you prefer, just so that it blends out a little better with your natural lashes. It looks very good even without, but it would just give it this extra natural look. So I'm gonna try and add some mascara and crayon to see what it looks like and show you some close-up shots. So I'm gonna be using my new Exact eyeliner by Makeup Revolution. It's fairly new and I love the packaging of this eyeliner. And of course I'm gonna use my favorite mascara by Silly George. It's a dual brush mascara, so it's 2 brushes in one tube. And because I'm an affiliate, you can use my code to get a 15% off on any of their products, including the lashes and the LinerBonds, clear or black, whatever you want. I'm only gonna use the thin brush this time because I only want to blend the lashes and the fake lashes together. So as you can see, it looks even more natural with a little bit of mascara and a tiny bit of crayon. So overall, I'm really happy with this clear LinerBond. It's easy to use like the first one, and it has the advantage of being clear, so the fact that you don't have to use so much eyeliner and dark eyeshadows to make it blend with your natural eyelashes is a big plus for me. So I'm definitely gonna keep using this product for sure. And right now I'm really happy with the end result. I think it looks really natural. I could see exactly where my eyeline was without the dark eyeliner base. Now this is a sponsored video. It's my first time using this clear LinerBond, so everything that I said was my first impression and my honest opinion. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're interested in any of the Silly George products that I mentioned in this video, my favorite one is their mascara, which I used in a lot of my videos, my makeup transformation videos. They're gonna pop up right here. But yeah, I love this mascara and I love their lashes and their liners. So if you're interested in any of their products, you can use my affiliate code to get a 15% off on any of their products. So yeah, these were my thoughts on this new LinerBond. And again, if you want to watch the previous video about the black LinerBond, it will pop up right here, and you can also find the links under this video. Let me know what you think about this look, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.